light and variable winds. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, partly sunny. This is a flash flood warning for the following counties in West Virginia: Jackson, Wirt and Wood, and the following counties in Ohio: Athens and Meigs. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time early this morning for southeastern Athens, northeastern Meigs, north central Jackson, northwestern Wirt and southern Wood counties. At 1:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms produced heavy rain across the warned area earlier this evening. Between 1.5 and 2.2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Parkersburg, Cooville, Fork Run State Park, Tuppers Plains, Lubeck, Mineral Wells, Chester, Belleville, Reedsville, Rockport, Davisville, Darwin, Walker and Harrisonville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning remains in effect until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia: Jackson, Wirt and Wood, and the following counties in Ohio: Athens and Meigs. Here is the forecast for the Greater Charleston area.